I create a lot of PVC projects, and with that, lots of PVC accessories to attach to these projects. Today, I'm going to give you some helpful tips on creating these accessories to add more functionality to even the simplest of PVC projects. To see how I do this, stay tuned. For all of my PVC projects, when I have to add something to it to give it more functionality, that usually comes in the form of a T-joint with the needed mechanism attached to it. The T-joints can't be used as is and have to be prepped, but after that, you're only limited by your imagination. The first step is to cut the T-joint to make it into a slip-on attachment to the PVC pipe. Line up the table saw blade with the halfway point of the diameter of the T, then add about 1/2 inch more to what will remain. With the blade now lined up, make a cut on both sides of the T. The easiest accessory to build is the horizontally mounted cup, which consists of a T, an oversized PVC pipe, and a piece of cardboard cut out to the same diameter as the T-joint. Slip the PVC over the T-joint, pressing it down if that helps it to stay on. Slide the cardboard into the PVC pipe till it bottoms out on the T-joint within. This accessory is nice because it can sit on a desk or be snapped on any horizontally running PVC pipe. Because of the tight fit of the T onto the PVC pipe, the cup can be leaned in one direction or the other. Another way to mount a cup is vertically. In addition to the pieces used for the horizontal cup I just did, I'll need an elbow and a 2.5 inch length of PVC pipe. The construction is almost the same as the horizontally mounted cup, except the elbow goes in between the T and the PVC pipe that is the cup. This is a completed one I use at work on my PVC desk. A nice feature of the vertically mounted cup is that it can articulate in two directions. It'll swivel around the PVC pipe at the T and also tilt vertically at the lower elbow connection. To make a swing-out tray that will attach to my PVC desk, I'll use 4 T-joints, a couple of PVC pipes, a sheet of wood, which I don't have yet, and a plastic circle to be used as a foot for the leg. I'll assemble the swing arm first, then the tray. I'll keep them separate for now. The slider will have to be glued to the bottom of the PVC pipe on the swing arm. Snap on the T to the PVC desk leg. Snap the tray onto that, and that's my new swing out tray. It's also convenient because I can swing the tray out of the way if I don't need it. Besides accessories, structural features can be added even after a project is completed. As an example, you may realize afterwards that a brace is needed in a particular area. Rather than cutting the pipes of the completed project where joints would normally be added, it's a lot easier to construct the brace as a snap-on structure using the trimmed T's demonstrated earlier. Once the snap-on brace is constructed, snap it in place and secure it with screws. Overall, the entire process is a lot simpler. I've seen some pretty impressive projects built with PVC. The carts that can carry people seem to be the most impressive. I don't think I'll ever go that far with any of my projects. I'll stick to smaller things I need and also am able to store somewhere in my home. If you have any questions on this video or PVC projects in general, leave them in the comments below. That's all I have for now, and I'll catch you in the next video.